Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2014. This is a Ford Explorer with Misfire on cylinder number 4. Okay, so I already found the Misfire on the injector. Alright, so I'm going to show you. So how can you know if the injector is working or not? It's just a simple measure on the injector. So you need to measure the resistance on the injector. All right, so for now this is the number 4, okay, but I already changed the position to the number 4 to number 5. Okay, this is how can I know what is the misfire? So I just already changed the position, and I'm going to put the power balance, and I already see the graphic on the live data, and changes the position to the number 4 to number 5. Okay, so how can you know if the resistance is good or not? I already marked the injector fail. Okay, this is bad, this is not working. Okay, so on that injector, this one is working, it's working properly. We have a 12 ohms. Okay, so we're going to change the cable leads to the bad injector. All right, so let me change the injector. Okay, look. Right there. We change the position to the cable leads, and look at this. This is the bad injector. We have 24 ohms. Okay, so we have a lot of resistance between to the current. Okay, current and voltage is not good. If you have more than 12 ohms, you need to replace your fuel injector. Okay, so this is 2014 Ford Explorer. Okay, 3.5 the motor, 6-cylinder. All right guys, so I hope that video help for your diagnostic. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe.